Hello, I'm Platinum Diner. Let's make some bread perfect for breaking fast. Here I have my flour and some yeast. I get this yeast and I put it into the flour and add some sugar, guys, with some salt. I break in one egg and incorporate it nicely by turning everything or all the ingredients with a hand whisk. This hand whisk is just perfect for stirring dry ingredients, to be honest with you. It makes everything get in perfectly together. I just love it, and I love that it makes mixing easier. Please stick around and see how we'll get the perfect bread using the minimal ingredients we have. Let's just say this is a frugal way of making a perfect bread. I add some butter and some water and start kneading with my hands. Guys, first of all, I add little water, and with the help of my hands, I'm able to tell if I need more water, guys. In all, I had the measurements written out because I had the measuring cup with me as I poured the water. So you're able to know how much water or the amount of water I use for this bread. So I knead this bread with my hands. As you can see, I add more water to get everything nicely incorporated and the texture I am going for. I'm just going for a good texture, guys. So guys, what do you think? Do you like this bread making technique? How do you love to make your bread? If you're also learning how to make bread, I hope you're enjoying this class or this video. Anyway, I'm done kneading and I cover the dough. This will be covered for 1 hour. After 1 hour, our dough is ready, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. Look at how perfect it is. I love this dough. I love how it looks. So I just give it another knead, just a little knead to get it off the bowl. I do this to just add that extra knead, that extra satisfaction when you're working. Next, I sprinkle some flour on the hard surface and then get a ball of dough. This is just a ball of dough, and flat roll it with the help of a rolling pin. Guys, the type of bread we are making just requires you to flat roll. Just flat roll it, and then we get to the next process. I hope you're enjoying this class, guys. Next, with the help of a knife, I make strips on this dough. Guys, look at the strips I'm making. The first one was a little bit big. I go back and divide it. Like I said in my previous bread making videos, I've always said bread making is so simple. Like, I think it's one of the simplest things anyone can do. And that makes it very good for you to be able to make your bread at home. Now I know what is in my bread. If you do yours, you can know what is also in your bread. Guys, see, we're done dividing into strips. Next, I fold it. Guys, look at it. I'm trying to take my hands off the camera so you guys can see it properly. I just roll it after the fold. Roll. And then these strips are a bit scattered. I pin it. Just pin it together. Remember, the dough is somewhat elastic, so pinning it together makes it easy. So this is what I have. Let's go back and take the class again, or let's do it again so we can understand fully what happened in case you missed that first part. I got the big bowl of dough, not really big, a medium-sized ball of dough, guys, and I rolled it. This is what I'm doing again. I am rolling it like I did the first time. I roll it. Next, I cut into strips. Just cut some strips of the dough using the knife. The knife is somewhat sharp. So yes, after that, I roll, like fold it. Look at it, guys. I'm folding. I hope you guys can see it. I hope my hand is not blocking. I just fold. Look at, I fold it. When I get to the end, because this strip is a bit scattered, I pin. Look at, you pin it. Just pin. Get it and pin it together. The dough is elastic, so it will stick. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this class or enjoying this video. Look at what we have now. It looks beautiful, guys. Just so beautiful. I love how it looks. Next, we have all our prepared dough and it's ready to be baked, but first we have to egg wash. we are going to be egg washing this, or rather I am also egg washing. I hope you guys are, I'm carrying you along in this class, so we are all doing this together. I just egg wash, we egg wash it. Guys, I hope you don't mind the I and the we. And next I'll be baking it for about 20 minutes in the heated oven. And now while the bread is baking, we get a bowl, add some condensed milk to this bowl and some cocoa powder, just about 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Mix all together. I had about 2.5 spoons of cocoa powder. I mix everything together to get it nicely incorporated. Guys, do you know what we're doing now? We're trying to make our chocolate spread right at home. In case you need a chocolate spread and you don't have it, but you have your condensed milk and your cocoa powder, this is just a good way to just get it without running to the store or dashing off to anywhere to get your cocoa powder mix or your chocolate spread. I get a container and I pour in this mix. Guys, as you can see, the mix was easy to make. It's just condensed milk and cocoa powder mixed together, and now we are putting it into the bottle. Guys, I hope you love this class. Please give this video a like, share this video, and also remember to subscribe. Now with the bottle filled, I cover it. Remember, we have our bread right in the oven, so let's check on our bread and see if it is ready. Guys, the bread is ready. As you can see, it looks lovely. This is after about 20 minutes. I love the look of the bread. I love how shiny it is. Now we can plate it and break our fast with it. I love the bread. I add some strawberries, as you can see, just strawberries, and sprinkle some of our chocolate spread, our homemade chocolate spread on it. Remember, this bread was just made with the frugal ingredients or minimalist ingredients. We have a lovely bread and it looks absolutely lovely. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel. Here we do everything related to food cooking, food shopping, everything food related. Till next time, guys, do stay tuned for more food content. Have a lovely day ahead.